Welcome to Fairy Moth Kate, where every page holds a bit of magic. In this video, I'll show you a special collection journals that decorated with leaves. You'll see what sizes and colors they come in, and I'll share some beautiful shots of the cover making process and page dyeing. As you can already see, the main feature of the notebooks is the leaves on the cover. Each fabric is hand-dyed using my special secret technique to create soft, natural color transitions and gentle shades. Here I am creating the covers for the green and ginger notebooks. First, I choose the fabric leaves and arrange them into composition. Then I turn to my little helper with the sewing machine and carefully stitch each leaf, imitating the natural texture of the real ones. And this is how much beauty can appear in just one evening. Next comes the page dyeing process. Look how lovely the colors turn out. I carefully dry the pages for about a day, then press them for several more days before binding. After that, I hand stitch the book block and attach to the cover. It takes quite some time, but the result is truly enchanting. Look at these journals, aren't they beautiful? You can get them in two sizes, 8 by 6 inches and 6 by 4 inches. Each is scented with a brown leather and tiny glass beads. They close nearly with the leather cord. There's also a miniature journal in this collection, a tiny one you can wear as a necklace, and despite its size, it's just as detailed as the bigger ones. If you feel like you need one of these fairy journals in your life, you are very welcome to visit my Etsy shop. The link is in the description below. Thanks for visiting my little fairy corner. See you in the next chapter. With love, Kate.